Hi guys, welcome to this unboxing of FT991 Alpha. This is a tri-band receiver, as you can see here, HF, VHF, UHF. I bought this a while back, but haven't used it for quite some time. And I have opened this previously, but I have put it back just for showing what comes in the box to the audience. It's a quite a capable transceiver. Can be operated as a base station or a mobile device as well. So the logic for me to purchase this was to be able to get the best bang for my buck. And I was going to purchase a ICOM 7300, but after some research, I decided to settle down on FT991 Alpha, as it meets all my requirements, as well as it provides me a surety on the future. This is quite a capable all-band, all-mode transceiver, and you can even make it work it with a computer using a SDR-like feature. And that's a bit more advanced, and you would need to do some soldering onto the board that you can find out on the net how to go about it. But right now, let me just unbox it. Unfortunately, this got infested with cockroaches for some time back because I hadn't used it. So if you are buying equipment like this, I would suggest to continue using it from the day one itself. That would kind of keep it in good condition. So let me open the box. So you have a flap here, you open this here, and then the box open like this, two more flaps, and you have the Yaesu manual in here. It is quite a detailed manual covering a lot of information, and it's in English. There also is a world map. I would be putting this behind on my wall. It shows the various areas where which codes are being used. Let me put it aside. You have kind of a warranty card about the radio and a fuse. The seller also gave me a catalog of diamond antennas, and I have purchased a UHF VHF antenna from Diamond, and I would be installing it on my roof. So in the box, this is how the device is. But before that, let me open up and show you this. You get a TX with this. I'm not sure if it was given by the seller out of courtesy, or I think it came as a standard with the Yaesu FT991 Alpha. So let me keep this aside. Looks quite solid and good. You have a clip for this. I'll kind of put on the clip as well. You have this wire that comes. Let me open this. Yeah, this is the wire that goes behind the radio, and this connects to your power supply. Let me see what this box is here. Oh yeah, this is the clip I was talking about, and this comes in this. So now let me take out the radio. So this is the front, as was marked here. So if you are traveling with the box, be careful. But this is well protected with with sufficient gap from the edge. So even if there is an impact on the side, it's not going to reach here. So let me take it out. So here is the radio. They have done a good packing. So you can see there are signs of cockroach infestation, but that's done now. And you have the power button, you have a screen, and you have the dial. This is a nice dial. You can move it with single finger, or else it's quite nicely loaded. You can tighten it from here or loosen it. So if I just tighten it here, yeah, now it's a bit tight. Yeah, so, and you have the various buttons that you can see here. And let me just get rid of this cover. Yeah, and this as well. Looks nice. And here is the fan. Let me just hold it this way. So you have one here for UHF, VHF, one there for HF, and that's for ground, that's for the power supply, that's the USB. So I'll be exploring it a lot. And here is a handle if you want to carry it. That's a nice piece of equipment. So in the next video, I will show you by switching it on and trying to operate it. Thank you.